Hey guys, it's Chanel here, and today I'm gonna be making slime. And I first already added my glue and everything. I used the Elmer's metallic glue, this one, and I also used like a little bit of clear glue. And I'm just mixing the clear glue and the other glue together. Now I'm gonna add the activator, just the Elmer's magical liquid. I'm gonna add little by little so that I don't ruin it, because I usually do, because I get impatient and then I end up ruining the slime. It's not really mixing, it's kind of just swirling around in the bowl, but I don't want to use my hands because you can see that it's just ripping apart and it's still like glue. It's not really like slime yet. I actually already made slime today. I made this bubblegum slime, and this one is it's glow in the dark, and it's also sparkly, and I added some shaving cream, and it's kind of like fluffy, and I really like it. Oh, there's glue all over my hands. As you can see, it's kind of coming together, but like not really. And I got this activator today, and I've used like a quarter of it. I have 3/4 left. I just added a lot because it's literally like not active. I think I added too much. We're gonna see if I can mix it with my hands. Maybe. It's kind of working. Not really though. I'm also not going to activate it too much because then I'm going to also actually add clay. But I think I already activated it too much. Maybe not. It's really pretty. It's not that overactivated, but it's kind of stringy. I don't know if you can see. I don't think you can. But it's kind of stringy. But Elmer's glue kind of does that. Like, by itself. So, I wasn't really surprised that it did that. But it's kind of annoying. Like, see how there's strings? Don't really want that. And you might be able to hear it. But it's pretty good. I actually surprisingly didn't overactivate it. Or at least very much. Don't mind the background noise. Alright. So, My goal is to make mermaid slime. So I'm trying to think of a clay thing to do with mermaids that's not too hard because I'm really bad at sculpting things. So yeah, and also I'm not gonna use the slime that's inside of here. I'm just gonna like take it up and throw it away because it's all activated slime. It's like over activated slime because of like the activator and stuff. And I don't wanna add that to this slime and then end up ruining the slime. So this I'm just gonna peel off and throw it in the trash. Yeah, I went to Staples today and I got a bunch of slime stuff. Slime's really good. I got Marble Magic. Maybe, I don't know if this is gonna work, but I've added this into slime before and it made it like a lot bigger and it was really nice. But this feels like through the packaging too hard to like just put straight into the slime. So I'm gonna open it and then put it in some water and then it will like soften up so it won't like make the slime really hard. So I'm gonna get scissors. YouTube's going to take my video off the thing. So I'm gonna cut this off camera. I've learned my lesson the last time I opened something with scissors and it took my video down. So I don't want that to happen again. All right, so I'm gonna get a good amount. Yeah, that's probably good. And if you're, Model Magic is hard like this, just add some water, like warm water, and it makes it a lot softer. Just by adding a tiny bit of water, it already made it softer. I'm just gonna start mixing it in. I'm gonna do it over the bowl so I don't get like the wet clay water in the slime. I might add shaving cream, I don't know yet, because I got shaving cream today. They had shaving cream at Staples, kind of weird. See? It's already way softer. I don't know if I should sculpt this into something and add it in, or if I should just add it in. I think I'm just gonna add it in. All right. All right, so adding it in. It's so pretty. Oh, that's so pretty. So it's kind of becoming kind of tough because I added the clay. So I think I'm gonna add water so that it's like more soft. Or I could also add lotion because lotion makes slime softer and less tough. This is such a pretty color. It's like a nice, pretty light teal. It's really hard to mix it because it's so tough. Okay, I'll be right back. I'm gonna go get some lotion. I'm back and I got my 1,000 Wishes Bath and Body Works lotion. And I'm not gonna add too much because I don't wanna waste my lotion. I also hope this doesn't change the color because it's a little bit pink. Has like a pink tone to it. So hopefully that doesn't change the color because if it does, it's gonna be like not that pretty. I don't know how much I'm gonna have to add to this, but so far it's just making it like kind of wet and stringy. But I think it's definitely working. It's making it softer. I can already feel it. But I don't know if it's making it stretchier. I'm trying to make a butter slime, so I need it kind of soft, but right now it's really tough. Sometimes. I think it's working. My friend made me a slime. It was a beach slime, and she added lotion to it, and it made the slime a lot better. Shout out to Penny, by the way. And so that's what I'm trying to do, because the lotion made it like a lot better. But like I said, it's really tough. But it's getting better, I think. And the lotion is making it softer. It's not very metallic anymore, but it's okay. It's not really getting that much better, so I think I'm gonna clean out the bowl that I used to make the slime in, which is right here. And I'm gonna take all this extra slime out, and I'm going to put warm water in it and soak the slime so that it gets softer. It's so sticky. I wanted to make table slime, but I feel like that's gonna get all over the place. So I didn't do that. All right, that's as best as I'm gonna get it. Now I'm gonna like wash it with water. Clean them up. And it's pretty good, but it's still like kind of rippy. I didn't clean the slime out all the way because it's the same slime. Okay. Get rid of some of the water in here because it's gonna overflow. It's more like it. Now, and just soak it in there for like 10 seconds. Now, okay. See, that's what I'm talking about. Now that's a nice butter slime. And also, those butter slimes that are like just clay, that is not a butter slime. That is clay. This is actually slime that still is a butter slime. I'm gonna add a little bit more water. And just soak it in there. All right. I'm gonna add a tad bit more lotion, and then I think it's good. Perfect. I love how the slime turned out, and I'll probably be making more slimes. So this is the end result. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Bye.